Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coding Journey. So here is update of my studies. In my last video I was supposed to type this entire para for 20 times, but unfortunately I ended up typing this entire para for only 10 times, because typing this entire para for 20 times feels like a bit boring. So that's the reason. And guess what, I am done with my work. So, and honestly speaking, it turned out very great. And let me show you where is my work. This is my entire work. You can see this is a. I want to add one more thing, that while looking in the notebook and typing on the laptop at the same time was difficult for me, so I found a new solution for that. I recorded the entire para in my own voice in my phone, and I was typing on the laptop while listening to that recording. So let me show you how it is. See,
up, read, she.
like this. So it was easier for me to type this entire para for 10 times. So if you think it's difficult, you can also use this method. So I hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. First para, and this is second para. See, first para took 8 words per minute, second para took around 10 words per minute, and third para, fourth para, 11 words per minute, fifth para. See, I'm smiling because it was the highest words per minute, 13 words per minute, which I had done yesterday. And sixth para, seventh para, eighth para, ninth para, 10th para. That was my work. I have made notes of Python. I have left these pages because I wanted to write something important, so that whenever I will get something important, I will write it down here. Okay. And this is where my notes start. First Python program, second way, and this. I'm taking help from ChatGPT, right? So I have made it here only.